like angels should just be like singing. Let's chat crafts. That is my weekly video segment where I just sit here and chat with you guys. Last week's video was the print then cut, and this week I decided, since I just got my brand new maker, that I would jump right in and do an unboxing video for you guys, talk about my experience with Cricut and how I got a brand new maker, what happened to my original maker, and advice to you on purchasing a Cricut if you have yet to dive in and purchase a Cricut. This is a brand new Cricut Maker machine. I was working on a craft for a YouTube video when my maker lid suddenly decided that it was not going to stay open anymore. My maker lid broke. It was devastating. So I contacted Cricut. I was like, Cricut, what do? My lid does not stay open. Lo and behold, I get a brand new machine. You should definitely get your Cricut through Cricut. I'm not exactly sure how it works when you get one through a store like Michael's or Joann's. I did purchase mine through the Cricut website, and I just contacted Cricut, and that's how I got my new machine. So I spent $0 to get this brand new maker, and I'm really freaking excited about it. So let's get it. Should just be like singing. So, to my surprise, you get a rotary wheel in your Cricut box. I thought I bought that separately. Maybe I just bought the knife blade separately, which I've yet to use. So don't buy a knife blade until you have a project you want to use it for, because I literally a year and a half in have not. Oh, this is funny. Okay, so for my original like welcome project, they give you all the materials you need for your project, and I didn't realize that they gave us the cardstock for the actual card, and my silliness decided to use a yellow piece of cardstock. That's what I loaded on my mat when I did the welcome project. And so I have this somewhere, and it's a yellow card instead of a white one. Open me first. Oops. I don't ever follow the rules. Okay, number 1. Unleash beauty. Plug in and power on your fabulous new Cricut machine. Number 2, get connected. Just go to Cricut.com/setup and we'll walk you through every step. Number 3, make a little something. During setup, we'll make a practice project with materials in the box. Fun. Number 4, bookmark this page. Cricut.com/create. You'll find every resource you need to master your new machine. Enjoy. So that's super cute. Let's go back in here. I'm kind of weird about boxes and stuff. Like, I keep all these things. Here is your welcome book that you get with your Cricut. A lot of good information in there. Let's see, there's something else back here. You get a pen. I have like 100 of these because I couldn't stop buying them. I don't remember. Oh, I must have lost this. This is your rotary blade cap. That's nice. Oh, everything wants to be on the floor when you're pregnant. This is ridiculous. So, your rotary blade comes out. Oh my god. I just dropped that too. Seriously? It's like clear. I don't even see it. Oh, Jesus. I'm alive, I think. Ow. And our warranty statement. So mine was definitely out of warranty. It was more than a year. I still replaced it. Love you, Cricut. Thank you, thank you. Da, 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 da. Here she is. More power cords. We need them. We love them. Oh my gosh, stop. It comes with mats. I was wondering if I was going to get more mats. So here is this beautiful, beautiful beast. And you open the lid and the bottom part comes down. It has a little groove for iPhones or iPads, some drawers, or not drawers, but pockets over here for tools, and a cute little drawer to move this piece. And of course, in clamp B, this is clamp A, this is clamp B. In clamp B, I have a brand new housing and fine point blade, and it looks like it comes with the premium. Okay, so we're gonna insert the pin just to see how that does. Okay, kind of wrote on there, whoops. Okay, so everything seems to be working while it's off. So we're gonna shut this, and this is how I've always shut my machine. Great, it's not crackling or making any weird noises, which is what my original machine started to do. Okay, so I honestly, guys, I don't know what happened. I really don't. But one day I went to open my machine, just like normal. Do you see that looseness? It didn't glide open. It's still magnetizing, but it didn't glide open. I have to forcefully open it. It's giving me a little bit of resistance. It doesn't automatically shoot down my bottom drawer, so I have to open that manually. And if I'm not holding it, it just kind of sadly does that. They actually sent me an email giving me instructions on how to return the old machine. So that's the answer to that. I don't get to keep both machines. But in the end, it's still great because I have a brand new Cricut Maker. Brand new. Never been used. And I'll be sending this sadness back to Cricut. And I hope I've answered some of your questions for what it's like to unbox a Cricut Maker machine. Where should you buy your Cricut Maker? Through Cricut is my answer, or find out what the process is for if something goes wrong with your Cricut if you buy it from a store. Take it from me. Cricut is awesome. Go through them. And if you're hesitant to buy a machine, just look at this madness. I bought a machine, it broke, I got a new machine. It's amazing.